Lina's Mountain Dream. Lina lived in a small house in the mountains. Her village was very far from the big school. It was 8 kilometers away. That is a very long walk. Lina had old clothes. Her shoes had holes. She had no money. Many children in her village stopped going to school. The walk was too long. It was too hard. But Lina had a dream. She wanted to be a teacher. She wanted to help children learn. Every morning, Lina woke up early. It was still dark. She walked to school. The path was steep. It had many rocks. Sometimes it rained. Sometimes it was very cold. Her feet hurt. She was often hungry. At school, Lina worked hard, but it was not easy. Other students sometimes laughed at her old clothes. "Look at Lina," one girl said. "Her dress has many patches." A boy said, "Why does she walk so far? She should stay in the village." Lina felt sad. She wanted to cry. She thought about quitting. The walk was so long. Her body was tired. Her heart felt heavy. One day after school, Lina sat on a big rock. She looked at the long path to her village. It was getting dark. She wanted to give up. An old woman from her village walked by. Her name was Mama Elena. Mama Elena always had kind eyes. "Why are you sitting here, child?" Mama Elena asked. Lina looked down. "It's too hard, Mama Elena. The school is far. People laugh at me. I want to be a teacher, but I am just a poor girl from the mountains." Mama Elena sat next to her. She put a hand on Lina's arm. "Lina, the mountains are tall, but you keep walking. The wind is strong, but the trees stay firm. You have a dream. That dream is like a strong root. Believe in yourself. Do not stop. Keep going." Lina thought about Mama Elena's words. Believe in yourself. Do not stop. So Lina kept going. She studied at night by a small lamp. She walked every day. Her feet still hurt, but her mind was strong. She read books many times. She learned every lesson. Years passed. Lina finished school. She was a young woman now. She went back to her village. The children in her village still did not go to school. The path was still long. Lina knew what she must do. She talked to the village elders. "I want to teach the children here," she said. "In our village." Some people doubted her. "You're just a girl. How can you teach? There is no school building here," another person said. But Lina remembered Mama Elena's words. Believe in yourself. Lina found an old empty hut. She cleaned it. She made a small blackboard from a piece of wood. She gathered old books. She started teaching the children. At first, only a few children came. They sat on old logs. Lina taught them letters and numbers. She told them stories. She taught them about the world. Slowly, more children came. They did not have to walk 8 kilometers. They could learn in their own village. The parents saw their children learning. They saw their children smile. The village people became proud of Lina. Lina was now the village teacher. She helped her family. She helped every child. She built a small, simple school. Her dream came true. The life lesson is that, in life, things can be very hard. You will meet problems. People might laugh. You might feel sad and tired. You might want to quit. But remember Lina. She was poor. She had to walk a long way. Many people told her to stop. She did not stop. She believed in herself. She kept going. Success does not come easy. Failure is part of the road. When you fall down, get up. When you are tired, rest, but do not quit. If you keep going, if you believe in your dream, one day you will reach it, and you will help others too. So, do not give up. Keep trying. Keep believing. Your dream is important.